Have you heard the latest news about brown fat? Brown adipose tissue, better known as brown fat, isn't like regular body fat. It's special. And here's why. Brown fat is a good type of fat found in small amounts in your body. It's called brown because it's packed with tiny energy factories called mitochondria, which give it a brown color. Unlike white fat, brown fat doesn't store energy. It burns it to create heat. Think of brown fat as a natural heater inside you, which is handy when you're feeling chilly. Unlike white fat, brown fat is generally good for you. In fact, with the right amount of brown fat, you can maintain a healthy weight because it burns calories. Scientists are looking into how activating brown fat can help people trying to lose weight. It's like having a calorie-burning machine inside you. Recent studies have revealed that brown fat may also control blood sugar and boost your body's metabolism. Here's an interesting fact. Babies have a lot of brown fat, which helps keep them warm. Similarly, when adults are in cold environments, their brown fat can become more active. In a nutshell, it's believed that the right level of brown fat can help you lose weight and, when it's lost, stay at a healthy weight. If you have more questions and want to know about a proven product that can help maintain your brown fat levels, help you lose pounds and control your weight, click the link in our bio.